A village in a sparsely populated area with its own electricity supply, far away from and completely independent of the public grid. Extending the grid to such areas wouldn't be worthwhile, and yet even here it's possible to set up a fully functioning decentralized off-grid system. SMA, together with the Institut für Solare Energieversorgungstechnik at Kassel University and funded by the German Ministry of Economics, has developed such a system which, using renewable sources of energy, can supply electricity even to remote regions. The key component in an off-grid network is the Sunny Island battery inverter. Utilizing energy from the battery, the Sunny Island creates an alternating current network. The big advantage is flexibility and intelligent management of both energy sources and consumers. It mainly makes use of renewable sources of energy, such as, for example, the sun. With no moving parts, solar energy installations are subject to little or no wear and are available in a large range of output capacities. The Sunny Boy inverter, the main element in a solar energy installation, converts direct current into network-compatible alternating current. Alternating current networks are the worldwide standard. They don't require the specialized knowledge necessary with direct current systems, and so can be installed by any electrician. Standard AC appliances, which are readily available and cost less than direct current appliances, can be used. Electricity is not only useful in the home. Well-equipped first aid stations help to avoid tiresome journeys over long distances. Education can become possible for the first time. Existing facilities can be extended and new communications networks set up. Consumers and energy sources alike are coupled in a joint AC network. By minimally altering the network frequency and voltage, the Sunny Island battery inverter can regulate load fluctuations as necessary, in the same way as our public grid does. This means that at times when there is no direct demand for all the electricity available, it can supply special consumers such as water pumps or refrigeration systems. It also utilizes surplus energy to recharge the batteries. Intelligent management of the off-grid system means that the batteries can be relatively small and thus cost-effective. When it gets dark and people need lights or want to watch television or listen to the radio, the Sunny Island makes available the energy it's stored during the day. The flexibility of the off-grid system allows it to be adapted to meet increased energy demands, because, as opposed to what are known as solar home systems, which are only able to supply individual homes with direct current, the off-grid network expands with each additional source of energy. Every house can be equipped with a photovoltaic system which is coupled to the network, and thus individually contributes to covering increased demand. All energy sources function independently of one another. Should one fail, the other sources compensate the power loss, just as in central power grids. With additional Sunny Island battery converters operating in parallel, the network can be expanded from single-phase to three-phase should energy consumption increase or if more powerful consumers such as machinery have to be supplied. The idea behind energy supply in remote regions is help for self-help, to enable such areas to set up their own supply structures, including adequately equipped workshops. Apart from solar energy, other alternating current supply sources can be integrated without major alterations. Wind power. Because basically there's no lack of energy, it just has to be harnessed. Other sources include water power. To ensure that in emergency situations important units continue to receive electricity, a generator can be integrated into the network as an additional or reserve source of energy. This means smaller batteries can be used, thus reducing the initial cost of the whole system. Intelligent off-grid system management. Modular design, unlimited expansion, made up of standard commercially available components. The heart of the system is the Sunny Island battery inverter. It creates the alternating current network which couples consumers and energy sources, such as solar installations, wind farms and water power. When demand is high, the network can be extended to a three-phase system. Planning an off-grid system is simple. The technology requires no specialized knowledge of electronics. Connecting other villages to the system presents no problem. The existing off-grid system can easily be integrated into a public grid without making the initial investment obsolete. In this way, by the year 2015, 1 billion additional people could be supplied with electricity, harnessed from renewable energy in network quality. Worldwide, numerous examples demonstrate just how successful AC coupling and the system components from SMA are. Off-grid systems in China and Thailand, in the Himalayas, an Indian hospital, a telecommunications facility in the United Arab Emirates, settlements in Uganda, South Africa and Greece, a farm in Greece, a lodge in the Alps, a farm in Germany, supplying a barge on the Rhine, an energy supplier in Spain, and a hotel in Brazil.